Yeah, well, I just launched it. Testing one, two.
The number of streams, number of output and audio, three output and audio, three
All
output
right, I think we're in here. I'm trying to get my buddy Savage on the line. Yet last night at 2 a.m. it worked. This morning is not working, so I'm trying to pull him in right now. So bear with me, guys, while I show this.
looks like I'm in.
Yeah, I got you in there, Savage. Like I can see you, I can see your charts. The only thing I'm missing is the audio, but I'm gonna try to pull the audio a different way. Just so weird. Application. Pull. Bear with us, guys. I'm sure we're gonna make it work. Okay, let me widen this. Savage, are you able to speak?
Yeah, let me see if you can hear me now. Test, test, test.
I'm trying to see if it comes up through the YouTube. I actually can see it. I can see that I have connections with you.
Let's see.
Wait, I think I heard you on the YouTube.
Can you hear me now? Test, test, test.
Hold on, let me mute. I don't know which one to mute. I think we hear him.
Can you hear me now? You hear me now? Let's see. Let's see. Test one,
Test
two,
one,
three.
two, three. Yeah, I think can anybody in the chat tell us? Oh, we can hear him. Kelvin says they can hear you. All right,
Sweet, yeah.
sweet, yeah. Let's go. What's up, Savage?
What's going on?
What's going on? Nothing much. Yeah, they say they hear us, so we are good to go. Welcome to the first days of stream. It can't go good without some hiccups, right? That's when you know we're on the right track. So right now we're showing Savage stream his charts. How was your day today, Savage? Well, this is our first stream, right? I think we should tell the people a little bit about ourselves and what we do and what is the goal of us being here. I've heard of
Sounds
people getting on streams and only streaming to one person. At least we got four. Come on.
yeah.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about yourself, Savage.
I
I
started
started
trading in
trading in
2020 with
2020 with
the whole
the whole
AMC pub,
AMC pub
and
and
got
got
hooked
hooked
with
with
it
it
there,
there.
and I
Crushed some
options,
options
and then got
and
into
got into
futures
futures
trading
trading probably about
3 years
3 years
ago,
ago
and
and
loving it.
loving it.
Just all
Just
the ups and
all the
downs and
ups and
roller
downs and
coaster
roller
versions
coaster
of it,
versions of it.
and then
And then
man,
family man,
we got three little
running
kids running
around
around
constantly.
constantly,
So
so it's a lot of fun.
a lot of fun. Yeah, AMC and GME. My God, I remember those days. Right before that, my first exposure to trading was Genus, GNUS. I was running a detail business with my wife, and I remember sitting in the truck, and my buddy hits me up. He's like, "Hey, do you trade?" I'm like, "I don't trade." I'm like, "What is that?" And he's like, "Hey, just buy this. It's pumping." I guess he saw it on Reddit or whatnot. He was up a few $100. I bought it. It went up, and I sold out of it. And literally, I did nothing with it, with the profits, because I'm like, where's this money coming from, right? Like, where's it going? I don't know what to do with this. Are they gonna come for me? And then I realized that I can keep the money and do it all over again and keep redoing it. And before I knew it, I was in the AMC debacle. Robinhood, I'm gonna put you on blast because you tore everything up. Hey, hold on, we pushing right up here. We pushing.
Looking at the 80 level.
Yep, and you see the push right here. I want to take a sell. Wait, where's my screen? Oh, sorry. I want to take a sell right there. I'm gonna try to take a sell, see what it does.
It's it.
I'm just lost right now. Here we are. I traded only one in M and Q right now. I just want to see what this market does right here. Just because it's at my level. Listen, guys, I trade my levels. You'll learn that here shortly. Only down a few bucks, but anyway. Yeah, I started Robinhood locked me up. I was up quite a bit of money on Robinhood, and they locked everybody up, and then every other brokerage started locking everybody up, right? And before you knew it, I couldn't sell. I was up quite substantially. And then, but when I was able to get out, I was able to continue this endeavor of trading. And then about a year ago, I got into futures, and it's been working out great. So far, so good. Pulling out payouts. That's the beauty of prop firms, right? And guys, I am so sorry, but we should have all been heavy on this trade. It's not only my zone, but it was the 80s.
It was.
Right?
It was
Like,
the
this should have
80s.
been it. This should have been it right here. Like,
Shout out to Ocala with the 2080s.
yo, Ocala is a beast with those 2080s, and he does it from a phone. I fumbled the ball because I'm looking at so many things. I got literally like 18 screens up. But yeah, how'd you do on your trading today? How did it go today?
It was a roller coaster ride up and down, but it survived, didn't blow any accounts.
Let's go.
So
That's the beauty of it, right?
yeah. Working on this PA account, the legacy account from Apex. I'm still holding. Just trying to
Okay.
milk some more profits from them.
Gotcha. And who's your favorite firm right now?
Either Lucid, Tradeify, Lucid, or probably Tradeify or Lucid.
Yep. I'm really enjoying Tradeify. I've done all, Top Step and Lucid. Top Step is my nemesis. Lucid has been okay. Apex, I really don't like too much, but I really enjoy Tradeify right now. Their payouts are pretty impressive speed. Yeah. So, all right, I'm gonna put your chart back up real quick here. It looks like you're in a position.
No, I missed my entry. No, it missed my entry by like a tick.
Oh, that's the worst, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh man.
Yeah, went up to 80.25 and my order's at 80.50.
Yep. Yeah, it sucks when it misses you. So something like this, the market today went on a complete ramp, right? It just went up. We don't know what happened with the news. I really haven't had the time to go back and look at the news and everything, all that it did. I don't know what brought it up. I saw the zone. What kind of trader are you? Like, what do you look for in the mornings?
7 points.
No.
My
7-point stop with a 7-point profit. Yeah. Come on.
My go-to that I've really been honing in is the orb, which is opening range breakout on the 15-minute time frame. utilizing the 13, the 9 and 13. It's supposed to be 48, the 9 and 48 EMA and the 200, like having those on the charts. And then that kind of gives me a direction, a bias up for the day. And I can show you from today.
Then you got a double sound. Let me see something. You keep talking. I think it's me on my end.
All right.
Let's try this. Go ahead and
So if you
speak.
utilize the 15-minute range, which is here, I got a 5-minute chart on right now. So this is the chart here. Stretch that out and double it. So utilize, I like on the zones, the 50% and the 100% of the physical range. Changes color of the boxes quick and I'll show you. Let's do red. So you can see the difference. And then the top side. Switch these charts up a little bit.
So this morning it looks like it came down to the 100% of the orb and then shot straight up.
Yeah, my box got jacked up here. Yeah, so it came down through and it held below the 5-minute candle. I typically would like to take a re-entry back on here, but the flow of the volume was coming through. So took it here in like the next candle down to 50%, which is here. 100% would be the final close of the thing, profit. And I utilize, and these ranges the last couple of days have been pretty crazy. You can see we're at 238 points for this whole range here. So from bottom to top, you're risking $478 a contract. So you got to be willing to risk that per contract if that's what you're running. And then the top side of it took out the same levels again this afternoon after it broke through. Had your 5-minute hold above, re-entry on your above the break, first profit, second profit. So you're looking at $236 per contract on that one and another $476 on that.
That would have been a good day. Just FYI, I don't know if you still have the position open, but should be in sale.
Yep, okay. I'm in it right now.
Yeah, I just saw it pump. So what software is this that you're using?
I'm using Quant Tower. It's the one I like because I can do quickly ease with my Stream Deck. I could do hotkeys and quick in and outs of the trades.
Yep. I love me some Quant Tower. I use right now. I'm just using TradingView because I have some TraderVate accounts. I use TradeC, and then TopStep-X whenever I trade. These people TopStep, but yeah, right now it looks like you're in the profits. What are you looking for on this move? I'm still in my position. I was able to get in at the 77.25. You got a little bit better entry than me.
I have a level that sat around this 30.92.25. It comes from a wick test, but I like these 80 levels, so I entered it a little bit early. That's why my stop loss is only $60 up. Yep. The orb levels from earlier typically play out, so I would like for it to come back down and retest this 50%. I usually take it a little bit before it, just kind of give myself some room. So $320.
So what level is that? So what number is that?
Here is 29,916.75 is the 50%. I'll be looking to close my profit at 29,919.75.
That's quite a move down. That's a nice aggressive down.
With a risk of stop loss at 30,112.50.
See, so that's not bad. That's a good risk to reward. Melanie Aviles, hey Mel. He says this is so cool. She would like to learn. Well, you're in the right spot if you want to learn, right? I'm just gonna be real out forward and transparent. Um, we don't drive Lambos. We don't live in mansions. We're not looking to make $1 million, right? We're just looking to teach the regular trader on how to trade, right? Not here to sell you a $5,000, $10,000 course or sell you a hope and a dream. This is truly what we just do every day. I get with Savage every morning and we trade.
Yeah.
And, there's a lot of people out there trading during the days. We don't want to step on nobody's toes. So we're like, you know what? Let's start bringing in some trading in the afternoon and let's see what the market brings. So right now, Asia, I really don't like Asia. The last couple of weeks have been really good because it's had a lot of movement, but today is just
Chop.
lollygagging, right? So while it chops, don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that we are here. Highly favored trading is in the building, and we look to be growing together alongside everybody.
What's going
So
on?
GLD says, "Hey Savage." He says, "Forget Brick. I only want to see Savage."
Brick's the sniper.
Yeah, but Savage is the beast. Come on now. And God is the DJ.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is
Just
what
a
we
couple
do. So
minutes.
while you're in a trade, and what do you do while you're in a trade?
Cut it up.
That's it, right?
I just have fun. If it
Yeah,
hits it, it hits it. If it don't, that's what it is.
yeah. You can't take trading too seriously. You cannot. You cannot think of trading as the end all be all. Just had my wife walk in and bring me a water. I needed that.
Nice of her.
I sent her a text like 15 minutes ago and she just brought it. So I guess it is nice of her. We're getting some movement here to the upside. I'm just letting this play out, see what it does. Last hour waiting for move, says God. I do got to
Yeah,
figure
I'm on the
out how to pump some music in here. That we'll get on the next stream, but
my soundboard ain't working either.
I don't know if the soundboard will come through.
Did it come through?
No.
No. Yeah, I was gonna say it's not working right now.
So let's see if we get this pushed down. We look at this higher time frame market. We still got a little bit of room up. We got room up to about 135. But there's also a lot of resistance here at the 095 area alongside the Ocala. Um, how often are you streaming for? Well, the goal is to stream every evening, Monday through Thursday at 8 p.m. Fridays, I am not able to, Fridays, the market is closed. Sundays, I'm not able to stream because I'm at church and we have night services. So I'll be in the middle of church and I won't be able to stream. So Mondays through Thursdays, I'll be able to stream. And as the channel grows, we'll maybe offer more time throughout the week and our schedules permit. I know Savage is a family man of little ones. I'm a man that's full of grandkids that keep me busy, right? My grandkids are Savage's age of his kids, so we're just on a different side of the
I
spectrum.
started late.
We got it out the way early and now we're able to enjoy it, right? Oh, actually, that's Keith. Keith, how'd you trade today? Let's put it in the chat. How'd you trade today? Anybody who's here and you trade, how did you trade today overall, right? Did you make some money? Did you lose some money? How did it go? Did you make no trades? Are you looking to trade? And right now, I'm going to put something out here. Let me get this flyer real quick. I know how to get back to it. Right now, we're not affiliated with any brokerage because we are not, but there is a broker that sent me something and I lost it. I don't know where it's at. Oh, right here. Top.
Day one hiccups.
Oh yeah, yeah. This is real and raw. Hold on, we're getting a nice move in this market right now. I see it coming down. I'm gonna listen. If you're looking to start trading, if you're looking to start learning, right now, Top One Futures is giving away a buy one get one free elite access account, but it does come with an activation. It does have its own activation fee, so you have to pay for your activation as soon as you get it. And I'm gonna put it on here. I'm gonna see if I can replace this image real quick. So if you're looking to start trading, oh, it's gonna be a buy one get one free. They're a cheaper way to get into the market. Use code BRICK. There's a cheaper way to get into the market, but you do have an activation fee. Oh, wait, let me. I don't want to remove as managing. Something happened here. Jay Keen. What's going on, brother Jace? How's it going? I see you. Nightbot tried to. This is a man that every text he sends in caps, and Nightbot didn't like that. So.
He's yelling at the screen.
Yeah. Oh, let's talk about this move right here. Let me bring up so you guys can see. Wait. Yeah, right now that trade is looking good. We're both in profits. I got my buy limit down there, not down at 981, looking for 100 points on his move. Hey, there he goes again. He's spamming again.
Nightbot capturing people.
Yeah, well, Nightbot is capturing Jay Keenan because he keeps typing in caps. I gotta work with. How do I turn off Nightbot for now for this man? He's able to text. Jace, just don't use full caps. So right now, JD, I got a question for you. You say you're in short from 043. You've seen the entry. As soon as we were talking and introducing ourselves, I saw the level. I called short. Savage went in short. We had our levels there plus the Ocala strategy, and we were able to go in short. Why did you wait so long to get in short? And I can pick on JD, somebody like JD, because we do share a Discord together and we're always cutting it up in there. So I like to pick on him because I'm sure he chased that 043, but it's probably in 5 minis on a 25K account. So he will make more money than anybody here on this on this trade.
Ooh, what just happened?
Whoa, what happened?
My screen just went move. Almost like my toddler was playing with it.
What is Vinay FVG? Are you an ICT trader, sir? Is that ICT or what? I don't do ICT.
Fair value gap.
But what is
Vinay
Vinay?
fair value gap.
So right now we have a rejection. Let me add some of my indicators on my trading view so I can share that.
Rejecting off the orb 100 from earlier, and then which is 100% of the original 15-minute time frame. When I say 100, it's 100% deviation of the original 15 minutes, which was here the market. So that's what this red box is. And I was just watching this trend line here for rejection as well.
Yeah, and this trade is looking solid. It's really looking so good. And of course, none of my indicators are here. My indicators. I've written my own scripts, trying to get them right. Still working on them. Let me.
This line's on chart indicating.
That's it. We keep trading simple. No, this is not it. Trying to add the right indicator here, guys. Again, I got tons of indicators. I'm actually in the middle of working on another one. For some reason, it's not showing. And if I show this indicator to drive everybody insane, written a pretty elaborate code on this indicator. I don't even know where it's at. So we're waiting. So this is it. This is trading. You sit around, you wait. It hits
Talk.
your trades, and you make money or you lose money. No, put lines on chart indicating support and resistance lines. But it's looking good. This trade is really looking good. Should have went heavy on this. This is really looking good. And
Yeah, beat my 7 points.
oh, come on now. Oh, he's going for the long run. Oh, look at that. Payout approved. Let's go. Praise the Lord.
Tradeify.
Yep. That was that quick.
Be buying Wagyu steak tonight.
From the Dollar Tree.
All right. What am I at here? I'm at 58 points.
Yeah, this trade is looking really, really good. What do I get? Trying to get this candle's looking really good.
That's
go.
where I'm going to see it reject. Yeah, push hard, push down below.
There we go. There we go. How many micros did you take?
I just did one.
Yeah, I just took one too. And up 140
just did one on this
bucks.
count.
Yeah, I messed up. I should have took my normal. I tried to trade 3 to 5, but that would have been a great night. Ended it right there in 30 minutes. Take a trade, go home. Where? Oh, there it is. So while this trade plays out, I'm going to give you guys a little insight of what I've been working on. Get ready to be overwhelmed. It's going to tell you
there
that
we
now.
Go. Push.
This is my screen. What do you think of the screen, Savage? Wait, where are you? Hey, oh yeah, I gotta figure out how to show you my screen.
I have the YouTube pulled up on a different screen, but there is a delay on it.
Can I share my screen?
Yep, there you go. I see you.
Here.
It's just I got a delay on the YouTube.
Yep. So I'm also sharing my screen in Discord for you if you want to see it there. That way you get at least a live feed. But this is a script that I've been working on. Very overwhelming, a lot of information. This is the type of information I've taken everything that I use for trading and I've put it in a script. And I'm still tweaking it, still working on it. We got my morning metrics, my lunch metrics, the ORB metrics. I'm going to start working on the Asia metrics right now. This is a lot of data. So I know it looks overwhelming, but this is going to be really good. Where do I start, says Kelvin? Start what? You want to start trading? Where do you want to start? You want to start taking profits? Look, where you can see my entries here. If I move it all out of the
I
screen
brought
here.
I just
Uh,
brought my stop loss down into the green area. So
yeah.
it's I'll make $40 on it. Worst
Yeah.
case, I'm up on almost 200 right now.
I moved my take profit down just because of the move that it's making, and I'm just gonna let it ride. I'm just gonna let this ride. We're up $200 on one single trade.
On
211
single micro.
on a single micro. Oh, with your charts, yeah, Kelvin. Now you can understand a little bit of the headaches that I go through when I'm looking at the market. I look at a lot of data, and I'm going to simplify it all. I'm just putting all of my ideas into the charts, and then I'm going to give the options to pick and choose what you want to do, and what you want to stream, what you don't want to see. I'm going to include the Asia session in there. And this is all going to be part of our Discord. We're going to be able to give access to it on Discord. If you guys don't have Discord or have Discord and are not following us, I'm going to post a link there. Feel free to join the Discord. Oh, talk about this trade though, Savage.
Come on. Come on.
I
80,
tell you what,
80s.
not to toot our own horns here, but I'm listening to other streamers online right now, and they're all politicking, which we are too, but we're in a trade. We're making money. Everybody else is still thinking about taking a trade. And our day is about to be done. Look at this drop.
See, now you're picking your limit right there at the 916 because of that candle.
Yeah, right, because right here, right? That'll be
Because
the
mine's at
invalid.
919. Yeah, see, mine's at 919, which is just above that. Because my
So,
50% is 916.25.
yeah, yeah.
So that's right there.
Go back to your chart here, see what you're looking at. See right there, it's almost there. So here, I just need to add a stop. The one thing I like about Quant Tower is that you can set your stop losses and take profits fairly easy. Trading View, you have to add
Yeah,
a
it's
limit order and move it around. So I got my stop at 993.50. If we get 993, it'll knock me out, or I'm just gonna chase this candle down, right? Hopefully we'll keep coming down. See what it does. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. So what assets do you trade?
what's that?
What assets do you trade?
NQ.
That's it?
I've played around. Yeah, I've played around with gold and silver. Yes, some. It just doesn't fit my personality.
Yeah. ES is too slow for me. I'm hyperactive and I just like to go. Gold, I don't like gold.
There we go.
Oil, I
Trying to
don't
get my
like to
1 minute
trade
chart up.
oil. I don't like to trade oil because I see what the prices should be at in the gas stations, and it's not. Then I get really
Oh, it's
upset.
dropping. It's coming down. Yeah,
You know. Yeah,
gouging
but
us.
yeah, exactly. You know what it should be according to the charts. I know what it should be, right? So if I trade the charts, I'm like, I get upset, like they're ripping us off,
Yeah,
bro.
so like this here.
Asia
The
has
EMA is
settled
crossed
down.
below the FIBO.
Last week was really, really good. Oh, what up, G? G Wiz is in the house. Listen, listen. If you want to talk about a patient trader, Joe Mama has taught us the patience. We
He's in the
used
process
to.
of teaching me.
This man here, he'll take a trade for 8 hours if he needs to. By the time he gets his TP, I've done blown up 14 accounts and barely passed one. All right, let's go. We just want to see this drop. This is not the volatility we had last week on the markets.
Yeah, this has been a 22-minute trade. This is a normal trade for G.
Yeah, he's just getting warmed up at that time. He's just looking at the max and all of that he's looking at. So yeah, we're just gonna sit here, wait for this to finish. Okay.
I'm waiting to see what this does here. Typically, I don't know. I like market structure. So he had a lot of volume coming through here and a bounce reject. So we had a large volume candle that helped push down through this, come up. Now, if we close above this, I might look to exit my trade a little quicker. Actually, I might just bring my stop down a little bit farther. Um, because it's shown invalid at that point, but I'm watching it. I got within, what was that? 71 ticks, 17 points of my target.
Yeah,
So I'm gonna make sure I'm capitalizing on some of this profit that I have here.
absolutely. And the 1 minute now looks really aggressively down.
Yeah.
I wish I was
Yeah,
able
and
to
on my
play some tunes. I got a track for this. We're asking the market to flush, but we shall see. 5 minute looks good to the downside. Oh yeah, this is coming down. I had a 971 zone and it just retested it and rejected it. So I can see this coming down a little bit further. Looking at some of my other charts.
AD's liking that with his 5 minis.
Oh, JD, I'm sending you my Cash App here, buddy. It's an inside joke, guys. Not bad. We got 10 viewers on. Welcome to all the viewers. Savage and Brick on the screen. Just some regular guys looking to start something different. I say different, but it's trading like everybody else, right? We're just trying to come in here, snipe the market, and get out. We
Have
do
fun.
not. We don't have giveaways. We don't have anything. We will at one point, but not right now. You do get a buy one get one on Top One Futures using code Brick. You buy an account. I think it's like $39, and you get two accounts. They do have an activation fee, but they're it's $20 an account. Activation fee I think is like 139. So 150 bucks or so, you get yourself an account, you get two shots to pass it. You don't have to pay a high fee to get in. So feel free. Give it a shot. Yeah, let's see what this is. Just gotta sit here and wait. Hurry up and wait in
I,
this market. Last week we were
I
putting
got the I
200
got the
points.
energy I got the energy voice and yelling at me. Hit it. Hit me.
Hit me. What are we doing buying this market down here? You should go already. Let's go. Come on. Just push down. Let me see. You said 919. Oh, that's that candle there. Yeah, that'll be almost a $300 trade for one trade. Not too bad. G is laughing. G, are you in this short? Give us confirmation, G.
What are the MACDs saying, G?
So I want to see.
Yeah, push it. Push real hard.
Let's see. We only got 11 people on here, but I want to get a feel for what people are doing. I'm just trying to be interactive on here.
Look at that. Got a poll.
Oh, it broke above my zone at the 970. What time is it? 8:40. Is there any news coming out? Let me go to the news channel. Announcements. I still got my stop at 993. That'll give me at least a good sense of profits.
I like that.
Like it really has to push up there another 20 something points to get me out. And if it does that, I'll reposition if the trade looks good. But I would at least secure 100 and something bucks. So G is in the trade. He's looking for targets. Here we go. G, give me the targets. Let's give us the targets. Here we go. Nice rejection again off the 971. Still in the trade. Nothing really to share.
Yeah, see, I'm just watching these EMAs. They're still opening up farther. Is good. Push down.
That's a beautiful push down. Once we break the 939 zone, I'll move my stop to that. Once we break and retest it, and that's that wick right there, that previous wick that happened at 832. It's gonna go test it. Wicks are meant to be tested. Shoot for 830 to 25, a weekly level. There you go.
He's way down here.
Oh, he's way down there. Now I'm trading currently on an eval, trying to pass an eval. Are you on a funded or an eval?
I trading on screen with my eval. I did take a trade with my funded account off
Let's
screen,
go.
but I'm done with that for the day. So
Yep. Yeah, we're just trying to pass these these quick evals.
come on,
Which
hit me.
sessions they would trade? Who would trade? We're going to be trading the Asian session. We trade throughout the day. I trade in the mornings. Starting to get back into the stock market game, starting to get my feet wet again. But these streams here are going to happen Monday through Thursday. Wait, somebody, bro, I need to turn off Nightbot. How do I turn this thing off? It's deleting people.
Stop spamming, JD.
Eval Trader
Yeah,
5.
yeah, I'm very similar. I trade the New York session. My time frame, just because my obligations with my kids and my business, is I trade from like 9 o'clock in the morning to about 10:30, right about 11, looking for the orb break, and then I like to trade MOC, so I try to get back on the markets right about 3:20 to 3:30, so I can hit the MOC at the end of the day. And then
Yep.
I like selling options, and so I've been collecting the premiums on those throughout the day as I see stuff moving.
Look
His name
this
is
push
Caps. So
down.
that's why Nightbot's catching him.
Well, I stopped Nightbot from stopping everybody, so we can speak freely. Look
Yeah,
at
you
this
can type
push
in all
down though.
caps.
This push down is happening. There goes the wig test, the 840 wig test, or the 832 wig test. I want to see a break under that. If we can break under that wick, then I'll move my stop down there, and that'll give me at least 225 bucks, 230 bucks profit. We're getting a little bit of movement now, a little bit of volatility. This is what I'm used to in the last week. Haven't seen that. We haven't seen that today. There we go. Look at the push down.
The other thing I like about Quantile, you're gonna see me constantly on a screen going like this. I'm looking at the price movement, the profit, the range, the time that I'm in. It's just a simple click of a mouse and a drag, so I can see what I'm looking at. Time frame. So, like example, I got into the trade right here. I've been in the trade for 32 minutes right now.
Dude, I had to stop, take a break from Quantile for a minute because hotkeys felt like a video game and got me in trouble.
Mm-hmm.
You watch the candles and then you got hotkeys with that and you got volatility. It just goes. Literally just goes. All right, we got a nice push up coming in.
Yeah, move my stop. Actually, I'm gonna move it a little bit farther. 87.75
is the 100% of the Globex orb. Yeah, this is a big push. My stop is at 99350. It looks like it wants to come for it. Oh Lord, that's a news push. That's a news
That's a candle.
push. That's news.
Got within 14 points of my target.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm showing my screen and let people see I'm right there. It's almost stopping me out. And it probably is going to push me out here shortly.
We're gonna push down. That was a crime candle.
That was a crime candle. VWAP. Yeah, I don't have those on yet, JD. Trying to be naked charts right now just to see what they look and feel like. And actually, let me go on my other charts here to see. Oh, this looks great. This really looks good. I don't know what time frame VWAP you're looking at, but I don't see it. What I could show is you can see what the data says, right? Takes a bit to load because it's so data intensive. Yep, here it comes. It's gonna try to push me out.
It
Right
just stopped
here.
me out.
Right there.
Close out
And
the,
I'm out. It took
yeah,
me
it closed me
out.
out too.
Profits of 170. One thing that you have to do with TradingView is stop any open orders you got. So let me stop that from loading because I got a lot of stuff going on. And I don't know if you've seen this before, Savage, but I try to use these overlay indicator candles. Have you been able to see this?
No.
So these here, I have them set to the 15-minute. So what I do is I'll trade on the 5. The overlay would come up on the 15-minute, and that way it gives me a direction of what's happening in the 15-minute candles while I'm looking at the 5-minute candles, looking for an entry based on the 15-minute movement. That's a free indicator that TradingView offers is overlay candles. Let's see. All right, so that was a good trade. Let's see, to be able to see it live like this is really good. It is. It is, Ant. Oh wait, I know who that is. Mi hermano.
Yeah.
My brother. So yeah, I didn't see VWAP, JD. I don't know what time frame were you seeing VWAP down there. I didn't see it down there. The 30-minute candle though is a big bio candle.
Yeah,
That's
that
a
might be
big
back
buy wick.
at 3019. The daily VWAP. Mine didn't start until my camera ran away 6 o'clock, I think.
Yeah. Yeah, see, yeah, that's the VWAP up top. And now it's rejecting another one of my zones. I'm gonna have to let me, since you're on screen. I'm trying to put my baby girl to sleep. So one of my grandkids heard me. 981. Oh, on the 2-minute chart. I got you. But did you secure profits on that, JD? Because I know you like to hold. So I hope you secured. Just to show you one of my previous indicators that I was working on. Had an indicator that I've been tweaking here and there. It gives me the long and short call outs. Of course, nothing is 100%. So if you see an entry that goes against you, it is what it is. But this is something that I'm working on that'll give you a long or short. Happens during the live market and it'll call it out live. And this one gives me some more of my EMA. See on the 1 minute right there at that wick test, that's where we should have been out. The algorithm called the long on the 1 minute. How much do I trust the 1 minute? Not that much, but
Hmm.
here we go. We're rejecting now the 200. See what it does at the 200 level here. My white line is the 200. My 9 is crossing. I think this is my 13. Yeah, 9 crossing the 13 based on the fit. This blue line is proprietary to something that I use for my own trading. Um, and right now we're rejecting the 13. So this market, in my opinion, is still looking short. We're at the 9.
Coming up on the VWAP that's sitting at a 20 level. So
Oh, see, that's tempting me with a good time right there. Look at this wick test here on the 13 on the 30-minute. That was a beautiful wick test. That should have been another confirmation that we should have closed out that trade down there. This is I'm just going briefly on the 1 hour. It was the 200. Um, when you get in a trade, you have to go into all of these time frames just so you can see what your trading style is like and know what your exit point should be. I just traded a naked chart. So right now this algorithm is calling for a long on this 5-minute candle. I haven't really tweaked this out. I haven't read the code lately just to see how much confluence I would have in this right now because the market has evolved and the structure has changed. So I want to make sure that this is a legit. See how it goes away automatically if it doesn't feel. So once it gives you the algorithm and it calls it out, you normally want to wait for that candle to close and whatnot. But that's bot trading for in a sense. And bot trading really, it's a bot, right? It's really not all that great in my opinion. It's calling out for a long. What do you see, Savage? I still see
I'm
shorts.
watching.
We're
I'm watching
rejecting the 5-minute VWAP.
there's a trend that formed up here earlier. This trend line where it came down, rejected, came back, and it did a hard break.
Yeah.
Also got the VWAP sitting right at the 20 level, right at that wedge. I like it for short. I'm just trying to determine my risk, what I would like to take. Because right now, My normal risk would be about 75 points if I were to take that. You'd have to take above this high. But the same, so it's kind of more of a 1-to-1
Yeah.
risk right now.
Yeah. And right now,
versus
for me, it's tracked.
Yep. Yeah,
But I
versus
like
earlier
that
where my
that
risk
VWAP.
was only like 30 points when I was looking for, 160 points. So it was a much better risk reward trade for me.
Yep. It's the first time I heard him use 3-digit numbers, guys.
Now my DGen stuff comes out, and Pawn Tower allows me to do one of these things, and I can just throw trades in anywhere I want. But
That's how you have fun with it. But you got to be
stacking
careful.
levels.
There's
Yeah.
days you're going to have fun, All right, so the long looks like it's working out. I'm still hesitant on it because of the VWAP. What's this code here? Look at this code.
The other thing too is I like to look at is Fibonacci a little bit. So if you take it from the high down to the low here, we're right at 50% of this initial move from the high to the low that we're at. So just another confluence for me to look short. Ultimately, premium wise, I'd like to be about the 61.8 and look for a kind of a wick. So at 30.34 would probably be my entry if I was going to take that. But still like the shorts here.
I like
Just not my entry yet.
But look at that VWAP rejection. For those of you that don't know, VWAP, volume weighted average price, something like that. I like playing off the VWAP during the day because the market makers and algos and the big wigs in the US stock market, that's what they trade off a lot.
It's
You see
the
this.
average price that they like to snag. So they don't want to overpay for something, and people don't want to sell too short at different levels. So the VWAP is the range that they look at.
Yeah. Think of the Kmart blue light special. We got the young crowd in the room. They don't know nothing about the blue light special.
You know what Kmart is? JD, do you know what Kmart is?
JD founded Kmart.
He's a young JD's a young fella.
He founded Kmart. Let's see this thing. See, hurry up and wait. Last week we were literally getting 100-point moves. All right, so JD is going short.
He went short on
Way down
89, 29.
Now, JD, what made you go short? As you can see, shorted earlier. Algo's calling along. You went down short down in here. What's your target? Why did you take that trade? Blue light special. Oh, but it's cheaper now. The sale is cheaper now. Well, why would you go for that? The sale is cheaper now. Got 8 votes. Look up the poll
Piece of
results.
nose. Who is not a trader? Would you like to learn? You're in a great place.
You are not a trader.
Or if you just want to hang out, or if you want to hang out and just cut up and laugh, you're in the right spot too.
That's it. Oh man, now seeing it now, I'm fearing for JD. JD, this next candle literally has to come and open down, sir. Whoa. This guy has to come here. Oh. Oh, it's
Really?
oh man. Well, that's a good rejection on the VWAP. The market for me
I
is
like
still
that.
trapped. There goes the push down, JD.
Almost hit his entry. There you go.
Yeah, nice. Nice VWAP rejection. That was nice. I would like to go short on this. Short 4 lots, 997,
About to,
916.
about to see my FOMO hotkey button here real quick. Being disciplined.
Dude, I want to chase this so bad. Um, I want to
JD's
chase
like, I'm already in it.
this. Yeah, I want to chase this so bad.
G's short 4 lots from 29,997.50. Target 29,1625.
No, I don't want to
So it's
buy them
basically
in
it's
here.
at 50% of that order.
I want to sell one. If we break under the 971, I want to sell it. It's got to break under the 971 for me to sell. Just because I have a zone. And you can also see this zone here. Whatever that is. I don't even know what that is. I haven't looked at these. Oh, nice move, JD. Yeah, he secured 285 on that scout.
He got some size.
Yes, he did. All right, so it puts me in because it hit the 971. This is a zone. I should have put it lower because I should have been looking for the break of that zone. Traded it kind of backwards. I normally look for the buy in this zone, and I had
A
the buy
short
at
off the
first.
22.
Oh, that was the short
Missed
off
it.
the 20.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm supposed to hit the buy there, and that would have been a good scout with some size. So that was I hit the wrong thing. But I would like for it to go down, right back down for the wick test. Let's see if it happens. Trying to figure this. Oh wait, that's in the wrong account. Trying to figure this thing all out. So let's see if we can get a push down, right back down to the wick. What is this? What do I do? Sell limit maybe? If I stop, I'm gonna sell.
Yeah, shitty. The 80-20, the magic numbers to the market.
So we're back in short just to see what happens. This really might not work out, but I'll give it 13 points risk or whatever. 15 points. One thing you have to do when you trade, always remember, this is gonna sound weird for me for those that know that how I trade, but you gotta put your stop in place. You gotta put a stop loss. If the trade doesn't work out, then you get stopped out. That's fine. It happens. But yeah, I should have been in the buy. I went against my own bias. But I would have scalped it already and been out on heavier size.
I'm getting errors on my orders.
What do you got going on over there?
I was looking for a short position at 29,983, and trying to set my stop loss around 330.03 and tie it to an OCO order, but it's failing.
So so it hasn't gotten you in?
No, it hasn't gotten me in, but it's not allowing me to connect my orders together as an OCO.
Gotcha.
See, I don't know if you can see it here by
Yeah, I'm showing your
even
screen.
you see the order modification canceled or failed.
Yep.
Yo mama, my stop loss would be a little over 30. And I'm looking still for this 50% of this orb to take. It's 29,917. Plus, yeah. I think that's the truth.
We're coming back down at my entry. Interesting to watch or hear somebody else literally drawing fans on the chart to make it their trade work right now. They're in a long. But we see
But
the
you know,
trade.
you put the toilet on here to have it flush.
I got a song for the flush. Just can't. It'll have music here tomorrow. Come on, drop down. See this thing melt. Let's see this puppy melt. 908. The liquidity came in, and the 9 o'clock liquidity was straight down. Are we getting some movement here? While he fumbles into a trade, I'll show this screen here. Savage is this close, guys. This close from hitting that hockey.
Fingers are on the buttons.
I don't doubt it if he hasn't done it and it's funded yet. What is that thing? That's a stream deck?
That's my stream deck that I can buy and sell 1, 2, and 5 or 10 orders if I want. If
Yeah.
push of a button.
I need one of those. Those are dope. See, it's holding my zone, my 971 zone. I gotta buy stock. If it goes above here, I don't want it anymore. I don't even know how to see the totals on this today. All right, here we go with the push down again. Let's just see this thing melt. It ain't gonna be much profits, but it'll be something. It'll be a coffee cup somewhere. Only 40 points, so about $80. Look at this studio stuff. I know what that is. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Added one lot, share. Join the Discord. Oh, I don't think I got it on anymore.
Your mama added 3 lots with your 1 lot.
Remove that message. So did you finally get in? Oh, he's in.
Yeah.
He's in.
Sorry.
You're fine.
Dogs moving away.
So for those of you that can see, he went in 3 lots and he has 3 different buy orders going down. So as the market moves down, it starts hitting him and taking his profits out.
And these are OCO, which is order cancels orders. So as one of these orders gets removed, the other top one gets removed too. And as soon as this takes out this, I'm gonna hit E on my keyboard for break even.
That way you can't lose on the trade.
Yeah.
Joe Mama is $200 away from passing 2 combines.
Let's go. For the
That's a
longest 1
good
minute
way.
candle ever.
A good way to start the week, passing 2 combines, getting ready for the week, payout by next week. That's a good way to start the next month. Got a day left for this month and then off to July.
Doji candle.
Yep, here's the pump. Let me see. Yep, it's rejecting the zone now from the bottom side. And you can see that zone here. See that zone right here. I moved my stop down a little bit. Got a $1,600 payout tonight. Come on. That's Wagyu steak right there.
Just missed my order by one tick on this one.
So this can potentially just keep going. That's where we want it.
There we go.
That's where we want to see there. So that means we get DoorDash coffee in the morning by Joe Mama. We get breakfast minis. I don't know what that chat rate means. Let's see this thing just melt. Let it just come down and melt. 913. Actually, not a bad trade. Would have scalped the long. I should have went in heavier. I know you're doing pretty good on your trades. I normally go 3 to 5, and I haven't been able to figure out how to do 3 to 5. Oh, wait. I don't trade TradingView, so I'm trying to figure it out, and I just found where to put it at.
I've closed $216 so far with this last trade remaining, so this would probably be the last one for the day.
Yeah.
But I still like to see this 917 touched. I'm just a little impatient for it right now.
That makes it a good night, though. Where
Yeah,
else
just
can you
stop me
sit
out.
down, push some buttons, and make 216? JD is
Yep.
up 527. Joe Mama's $200 away from passing the combine. Not too
And
bad
he
for
also,
sitting around.
Joe Mama also took a $1,600 payout.
Yeah.
Work.
On a Monday. People have to wait till Friday to get paid. He gets paid
People
on
work
demand.
2 weeks. People can work 2 weeks to get that money.
If you're making breakfast minis, you're about 3.5 weeks. So Whoa. Oh, I connected on too many places. TradingView will do that to you. They only allow like 1 or 2 concurrent connections, and I got them on 6 different screens.
Session disconnected.
All right, it's about to stop me out. Oh, look at that. Look at that stop.
It's following your drawing.
Yeah. There we go. Just go
Yeah.
down. Just go down. Wonder. Share a screen with others. Window. Testing something while this market does what it needs to do, but are you able to see that on your end? The
Yeah, now I
video?
can.
Oh,
Yeah.
see? That's the live. Now you're able to see the live OBS.
Yep.
That's what it was. We'll figure this out, guys. Pardon the dust as we are under construction. All right. Are you gonna stop me out or what? Just stop me out if you're gonna stop me out. Call it a day. I'm gonna see where this goes. Yep, it stopped me out.
There
There
it
it
is.
is.
Yeah.
So that's the trade. And overall, that account ended today, and I gotta see it somewhere else. $260. Not too bad for an hour and a half worth of work. And watch it do what it has to do now. Gotta work on some of these things. This is something else that I'm working on. Bro, I guarantee you this thing ticked me out and it's gonna flush. Look at this thing. It's normally what happens. That's why I don't use stop loss. They see you,
Hit
they
your
see the
EMA.
stop loss.
If you
Yeah,
had
my
your EMA
9.
on there, you'd know you've been safe.
Yeah. Had it
You're
on there.
40, you're 50, you're
No, this is the
52.
9. This is the 9. I get that 9.
What's the other one you use?
Oh, the proprietary one remains
Yeah.
proprietary. That one remains proprietary. Only a few selected know.
They rejected off it.
Yeah.
Oh, no, yours the blue one. Your green one there.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah, this market is trapped. This market is trapped. I don't foresee another trade coming in. I think 260. You're up what, 2 something, 1 something?
Yeah, I'm up. Let me pull it over here. 218 close total after commissions 211.04.
That's not bad. $200 days. That's all you need. Listen, $200 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away and keeps your bills paid. You can do that 1 or 2 times a day on different multiple accounts. You'll be way on your way to being a successful trader. Successful trading doesn't mean you're gonna pull out millions and drive a Lambo. Successful trading is buying time back for yourself. Money you're always gonna make. You're always gonna be able to make some money back. Hardest thing to come by is time.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's that's my 2 cents on why I trade, why I do trading. Just trying to buy myself more time to do more of the things that I like. Spend more
Yeah,
time with my
time is.
family.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's primary for me. Because
Yeah.
I would hate to be stuck in an office and not be able to see my kids and do things. Like today, I was able to run around with my kids with my work and just spend that time. It's memories are being built. 'Cause you can't
Yep.
buy that stuff.
Yep. Yep. To have time with the family and being as involved in ministry as I am, it gives me the time to be available for ministry on whatever is needed. So that's just, to me, that's priceless in itself. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know what. I'm not gonna look for another trade. I think the night is done. Um, Pretty successful night. Everybody that are on here looks like they made money. You got anything else?
No, y'all have any questions for
Yeah,
us?
any
Because we're gonna start
questions?
rolling and get
This,
things smoother.
yeah,
We're
we're
up with the
gonna,
feedback.
yeah, please send the feedback, put it in the comments, share the video, share it to your socials. I don't know. I'm not a streamer. I don't know how to do this. We're learning right here, right now, live on screen with you guys. We're just looking forward to being able to provide good content, good clean content, content that'll help you learn, content that'll help you make money in this market. Look at the caboose. Look at the melt. This is this is where my fingers start itching, and I just want to smash the button. And this is where mistakes are made. But remember, this is just a entertainment channel, guys. We are not professional traders. Um, we just call what we see for entertainment purposes only. This is not financial advice. And listen, go to top1futures.com, use code BRICK, get 2 accounts for 39 bucks. Of course, activation fee required. G is still holding short.
You see tomorrow morning with your position open, or
Yeah.
hopefully be closed by then.
Yeah. Well, guys, we'll get music going on here and pumping music. Did you have something to say, Savage?
No, you're good.
Oh, yeah. So this is it. I think we're gonna end it here. We're gonna first night. We'll get better. Thank you guys for the support. Thank you for showing up. And I'll leave you guys with a disclaimer. And after the disclaimer, we'll go ahead and end the stream. Appreciate you guys. Have a great night. Savage, you want to say your goodbyes?
Adios. Have a great night.
Yeah, that was easy.